What's going on, everyone? Anxious Vids back with a brand new chug. How are you all doing? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you know when there's fantastic new fun chugs coming out. Today, we are going to be chugging some sparkling water. This is San Pellegrino. This is straight from Italy. I don't know how to do an Italian accent. I don't. Guess I could be a both. That's probably Russian. But this is bottled in Bergamo, Italy. So this is it's a little bit higher class sparkling water. But all the same, we're gonna chug it. We're gonna chug it fast, so it doesn't even matter how it tastes, because it's going down the freaking hatch. This is a 25.3 fluid ounce water. This is 1 pint and 9 fluid ounces. And we're going to try and chug this. Well, we're just going to chug it. I know how sparkling water goes. There should be some pretty good burps. So let's hear that crack. Oh no! It's going to blow up! Alright. Okay. Smells like water, which means it smells like freaking nothing. Comment down below what you think's gonna happen. Let's do this. Let's try to do this in 45 seconds. All right. 3, 2, 1. Chug it. Woo! We did it. That's freaking it. Empty, down the hatch, loud burps. That's what it's all about, right? I think that was actually a first. I do not think I've ever chugged a sparkling water in one pull. Usually I get about 3/4 of the way through and I got a burp because my stomach's so freaking full of air. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and please do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. That's so freaking important, and I would greatly appreciate it. But as always, comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video and comment suggestions you would like to see for future videos. We are 10 subs away from 400. We gotta get there. But as always, I will see you all in the next one.